Welcome to Speak English with Cath. I'm really happy you're here today. Today, we're talking about a feeling that can hurt a little, and sometimes more than a little. It's the feeling of being ignored when you speak English. Maybe you try to say something, but people don't respond. Maybe they look confused, or they continue talking to someone else. And in that moment, you might feel invisible.
Yeah, I know that feeling. Sometimes I say something in English and people don't answer me. I don't know if they didn't hear me, or they didn't understand me, or maybe they just don't want to talk to me. It makes me feel a bit small.
Thank you for sharing that, Luster. That feeling, I feel small, is very common. But I want to say something important. Being ignored does not always mean you did something wrong.
Really? Because it feels like I made a mistake.
That's a very natural thought, but let's slow down and look at the situation. There are many reasons why someone may not respond. Maybe they didn't hear you clearly. Maybe they were thinking about something else. Maybe the place was noisy. Or maybe they are also nervous.
Oh, I never think about that. I always think the problem is me.
Yes, many learners think that way. But communication is not only about you, it's about two people. Both people bring their own feelings, focus, and energy. So when something doesn't go well, it's not always your fault.
That makes me feel a bit better. But still, in that moment, I don't know what to do. I just stop talking.
That's very honest. And today, we're going to help you with that moment. That exact moment when you feel ignored. We'll learn simple things you can say, simple ways to continue the conversation, and most importantly, how to stay calm inside. Let's imagine a real-life situation. You are in a cafe. You walk to the counter. You want to order a drink. You say, "Hi, I want one iced coffee." But the staff doesn't respond. They continue doing something else.
Yes, that happens to me. Then I just stand there and wait and feel awkward.
Yes, that quiet waiting moment. So what can you do? Instead of staying silent, you can gently try again. You can say, "Excuse me." Simple. "Excuse me, can I order?"
Oh, that's simple. But I feel shy to say it again.
That's okay. Let's make it even softer. You can say, "Hi, sorry, can I order?" Adding sorry can make your voice feel softer and more polite. Even if you did nothing wrong, it helps the conversation move forward.
I see. So I don't need to stay silent.
Exactly. You don't need to disappear in that moment. You can gently come back into the conversation. And here's something important. Your goal is not to be perfect. Your goal is to be understood.
That's different. I always try to speak perfectly.
Many learners do. But when you focus too much on being perfect, you become more nervous. And when you're nervous, your voice becomes less clear. Your words become less clear. So people may not respond. Not because your English is bad, but because they didn't catch your message.
That sounds like me. Sometimes I speak very quietly.
That's a great observation. So let's practice something small. Not vocabulary, but voice. Say this sentence with me. "Excuse me, can I order?"
Okay. Excuse me, can I order?
Good. Now say it again, a little clearer.
Excuse me, can I order?
Nice. Now one more time with a bit more confidence.
Excuse me, can I order?
That's it. Did you feel the difference?
Yes, a little. I feel more present.
Exactly. You are showing that you are there, and that matters in communication. Pause. Let's try another situation. You are in a group conversation. People are talking. You want to join. You say something, but no one reacts.
Ah, that hurts more. Because many people are there.
Yes, it can feel very uncomfortable. In that moment, you may think they don't care about what I say. But again, that may not be true. Group conversations are fast. Sometimes people don't hear everything. So what can you do? You can try again in a simple way. You can say, "Hey, can I add something?"
Oh, that's useful. It feels like asking for space.
Yes, exactly. You are politely entering the conversation. And here's another simple phrase. Can I say something?
I like that. It's very clear.
Yes, clear is powerful. You don't need long sentences. You don't need perfect grammar. Short and clear is enough. Pause. Let's practice together. Say, "Can I say something?"
Can I say something?
Again, a little stronger.
Can I say something?
Very good. Now imagine you say that and people look at you. Now you have their attention. What do you do next?
Then I panic.
That's very honest, and that's where we'll continue next. Because getting attention is one step, but knowing what to say next is another feeling. And we're going to build that step by step so you don't feel lost anymore. So now, people are looking at you. You said, "Can I say something?" And they are waiting. This moment can feel very heavy, like all the pressure is on you.
Yes, exactly. My heart beats fast and my mind suddenly goes blank. Even simple words disappear.
That's very normal. When we feel pressure, our brain tries to protect us. It says, "This is scary," and then it becomes harder to think clearly.
So, what should I do in that moment? Because I can't just stand there quietly.
You're right. So instead of trying to say something perfect, we prepare something simple. Think of it like a safe sentence, a sentence you can always use even when you feel nervous.
A safe sentence. I like that idea.
Let's start with something very easy. You can say, "I think." Just these two words can help you begin.
Only I think? That feels too simple.
Simple is powerful. "I think" gives you time. It gives your brain space to continue. For example, "I think this is a good idea." "I think we can try that." "I think it's interesting."
Oh, so I don't need a long sentence.
Exactly. Short sentences are easier to say and easier for people to understand. Now, let's practice together. Say, "I think this is a good idea."
I think this is a good idea.
Good. Now again, a little smoother.
I think this is a good idea.
Nice. Now try, "I think we can try that."
I think we can try that.
Very good. Do you feel how simple that is?
Yes, and I feel less pressure.
That's the goal. Less pressure means more confidence. Now, let's go back to the group situation. You say, "Can I say something?" People look at you. Now you say, "I think we can try that." And then someone responds. Maybe they say, "Oh, really? Why?"
Oh no, another question.
Yes, conversation continues. But don't worry, you don't need a perfect answer. You can keep it simple again. You can say, "Because it's easier," "Because it saves time," "Because it's better for everyone."
That's actually manageable. Short answers, not too difficult.
Exactly. Conversation is not a test. You don't need long explanations. Just share your idea little by little. Now, let's talk about another situation. You are talking to one person. You say something, but they don't react. They look confused.
Yes, that happens a lot too. Then I feel embarrassed.
Yes, that feeling of embarrassment can be strong, but instead of stopping, you can help them understand you. You can say, "I mean."
I mean. Yes.
I mean is a very useful phrase. It helps you explain your idea again in a different way. For example, I went to a place, I mean a restaurant, or it was very big, I mean really large.
Oh, so I can correct myself.
Exactly, and that is very natural in English. Even native speakers do this all the time.
That makes me feel better. I thought correcting myself was a mistake.
Not at all. It actually shows you are trying to communicate clearly. Now, let's practice. Say, I mean, it's very easy.
I mean, it's very easy.
Good. Now again, more natural.
I mean, it's very easy.
Nice. Now try, I mean, we can do it tomorrow.
I mean, we can do it tomorrow.
Very good. Now let's connect everything together. Imagine this situation. You are in a meeting. People are talking about a plan. You want to share your idea. You say, "Can I say something?" They look at you. You say, "I think we can try a different way." Someone looks confused, so you say, "I mean, we can change the plan a little."
Oh, that flows nicely. It doesn't feel too complicated.
Exactly. Simple, clear, calm. That is your goal. Now, I want to talk about something emotional. When people don't respond, what do you feel inside?
Cool. Rejected. Like maybe my English is not good enough. Or maybe I'm not interesting.
Thank you for being honest. Those thoughts can feel very real, but I want to remind you, not every reaction is about your value.
What do you mean?
Sometimes people are busy, sometimes they are distracted, sometimes they are thinking about their own problems. Their reaction does not always reflect you.
So I shouldn't take it personally.
Yes, try to separate your feeling from the situation. Instead of thinking, "I'm not good enough," you can think, "Maybe they didn't understand," or "Maybe I need to say it again."
That feels lighter, less painful.
Exactly. We are not removing the feeling, but we are changing the meaning. Now, let's do a small speaking practice. I will say a situation, and you respond with a simple sentence. Ready?
Ready.
You want to join a conversation.
Can I say something?
Good. You share your idea.
I think it's a good idea.
Nice. They look confused.
I mean, it's better for us.
That's excellent. Simple, clear, and confident.
I feel like I can actually do this.
You can. Step by step, you are building your voice. And soon, you won't feel invisible anymore. Now, let's go a little deeper. We've talked about what to say and how to continue speaking, but there is one more important part: how you feel inside.
Yeah, because even if I know the words, sometimes I still feel nervous.
Exactly. Confidence is not only about language, it's also about your mindset, the way you talk to yourself in those small, quiet moments.
I think I'm a bit hard on myself. When something goes wrong, I keep thinking about it.
That's very common. Let's imagine something simple. You try to speak, and someone doesn't respond. What is the first thought in your mind?
Quickly, I said it wrong, or my English is bad.
Yes, those thoughts come very fast. But here's something important. Those thoughts are not always true. They are just habits.
Habits?
Yes, if you repeat the same negative thought many times, your brain starts to believe it. But the good news is you can change that habit.
How?
By choosing a new, kinder sentence, something simple and supportive. For example, "It's okay, I'm learning," or "I can try again."
That sounds softer.
Yes, we are not pretending everything is perfect. We are just giving ourselves space to improve. Let's practice that together. Say, "It's okay, I'm learning."
It's okay. I'm learning.
Good. Now try, I can try again.
I can try again.
That's it. These small sentences can change how you feel and how you continue speaking. Now, let's bring everything together with a longer real-life situation. Imagine this. You are at a cafe. You want to order a drink. You say, "Hi, I want one iced coffee." The staff doesn't respond. What do you do?
Okay. Excuse me, can I order?
Good. Now the staff looks at you and says, "Oh, sorry, what did you say?"
I say, I want one iced coffee.
Nice. Now imagine another situation. You are with a group of people. They are talking quickly. You want to join.
Can I say something?
They look at you. Now continue.
I think we can try that.
Someone looks confused.
I mean, we can change it a little.
That's excellent. You stayed in the conversation. You didn't disappear. Yeah, I didn't run away this time. And that's progress. Not perfect English, but real communication. Now, I want to share one final idea with you. Speaking is not about being perfect. It's about being present.
Being present.
Yes, it means you stay in the moment. You listen, you respond. Even if your sentence is not perfect, you are still part of the conversation.
I like that, because sometimes I wait too long trying to make a perfect sentence.
Yes, and when you wait too long, the moment passes. So next time, choose simple words, speak a little earlier, and trust that it's enough.
I think I understand now. It's not about being ignored, it's about staying in the conversation.
Exactly. You always have the choice to come back in, with a simple sentence, with a calm voice, with a kind mindset. And the more you practice this, the more natural it will feel.
Thank you, Cath. I feel more confident now. Not perfect, but more ready to try.
That's all you need. Ready to try. And to everyone listening, if you've ever felt ignored or invisible when speaking English, I want you to remember this. Your voice matters. Even if it's simple, even if it's not perfect, keep speaking, keep trying, keep showing up. You are improving more than you think.
And we're learning together.
Yes, we are. Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. Keep practicing and take care of yourself. Goodbye for now.